How do we avoid hallucinations when we're building a custom GPT? Let's say we want to build a ChatGPT for our website, and we're going to use it to automate customer service. So we're either going to have an internal tool that is going to have access to our training documents and SOPs, and we're going to use that for internal support that our support team talk to, or we're going to build an FAQ chatbot that has access to everything on our website. We want to make sure that the chatbot is able to give responses accurately. It's not going to make things up. And how do we do that? Because the biggest problem that we have with chatbots at the moment on websites is they will craft and create their own information and they will hallucinate a lot. So when I built this software, chatiq.ai, the link is down below if you want to build one, I had a priority which was making sure that the chatbot would not hallucinate. It would give incredibly fast responses. You can see just how quickly it's responding, and all the information that it's using in its responses are accurate and correct. But I wanted to go a step further because I wanted to see if I could get the chatbot to manage the customer support, not only give answers to my customers, but also tell them how to do things within my product. And then if things got really bad, they could then submit a support ticket and then get in contact with human support. So let's just read through some of these responses here. I said I want to cancel my subscription. It told me to log into my account, go to settings, click on my account and click on manage plan and then cancel my subscription. And if I go to my software and I go to the settings and plans, my account, I manage my plan, and scroll down to the bottom, I can cancel my subscription. So it's accurate in how it's responding and it understands the entire layout of my software. It also knows that this is quite a difficult thing. This is quite, an important thing for a customer. If a customer can't cancel their subscription, they can go and dispute that payment and that can cause huge problems in the business. They can go and leave a bad review. So it knows that we need to handle this very, very quickly. So watch this. If I submit a support ticket, I can actually give it a custom category, and I'll show you how to build one of these in a second using ChatIQ. The link is down below. You can actually start a free trial to do this. I can categorize it. We're just going to do test for now. We're going to create a test email, and we're going to send in a support ticket, which is basically asking for a refund. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so I said I can't remember signing up for this product. Give me a refund. I do not want to dispute this. I want you to look at my phone here and I want you to see what happens when I do this. So I'm going to submit this support ticket and it's now going to go ahead and it's going to send me a notification. One second. It's going to go ahead and it's going to send it to an AI. The AI is then going to prioritize that support ticket. And you can see here live, it's sent me a notification. I know that's reversed, but I'll show you what that notification actually looks like. So this is it within the email account. So I've set up notifications for this AI, and this AI has let me know that I've received a high priority support request. Now remember, on the website there was nowhere for me to set the priority of this support request. The AI has actually compared this support request against my company data, and it's decided that this is quite a high priority ticket. It's given me a subject line of what this request actually is, and it's told me what their actual ticket is. So wherever I am at any point in time, I can see this support ticket without having to log in to my dashboard. And then what I can do is I can actually log into ChatIQ, which is the software that we're using for this, and we can actually then manage this support ticket. So now we're in the dashboard. If we come to the ticketing section and we select the chatbot that's on the homepage of the website, you can see here this is the support ticket. It's told me how many tickets this customer has submitted, the amount of time this ticket has been active for, and also a bit of extra information. But here's the really cool thing, because within a business, if you've got customers coming into your website from all different marketing channels, for example, they're hitting your website and they've bought something and they've got problems with support, traditionally what happens is you have a support team that then needs to go ahead and read some training documents, some SOPs and video tutorials to basically be able to get answers to how to deal with that ticket, right? So for example, let's say you've got a new support rep. How do they know how to issue a refund for a customer? Or how do they know how to update data within your app? Or how do they know where to find things in your product? They've got to go ahead and find all this information, read it, and then respond to that customer, which can take forever to give responses. And it's very expensive to train these people up. But now what we've done is we've given all of this information here to an AI brain, a central AI brain. And this AI brain is not only managing the chatbot on our website, but it's also managing the support tickets within our dashboard. So now if I click on reply, I can actually see the conversation that this person's had with the chatbot. You can see here they're asking to cancel their subscription and they wanted to submit a support ticket. But what I can also do is I can use the information that this chatbot was trained on to actually generate an email reply for this customer. So this person's obviously asking for a refund, and it's gone ahead and said, I understand you're inquiring about a product you don't remember signing up for. Please provide me with your order name, the product you're referring to, and any specific issues or concerns you've encountered with your product. Now, let's say, for example, this customer had asked, we'll do another example in another video, but let's say, for example, we actually would process this refund, but we need their email account of what the account they signed up with. So we're going to go ahead and actually ask the AI here to ask the customer to provide an email account they signed up with. We can just send this to the AI. It's going to go ahead and regenerate that email response. It's only going to take a matter of seconds, and it's going to use all the data that that chatbot has access to, and it's going to ask that person to provide us with an email account that they signed up with the product, so we can go ahead and resolve this matter. All we then need to do is input our name. We could do that here. Click on enter, and then if we click on send email by Gmail, what it's going to do is open up our default Gmail address. So it's loading up Gmail now. It's fulfilled, it's inputted the email address here. The refund request is the whatever you call it, the support, whatever this bit is, and then it's put in the full body of that email. Now all I need to do is click on send and make sure that the Gmail account that I'm logged into is the actual Gmail account of my brand or my business. And we're adding in direct integration very, very soon. So once I've done that, I can now close that ticket. I can now unselect that ticket. If I go back into that ticket, you can see that it's given me a response time of fast. The average response time for this customer is 5 minutes, and I no longer need to deal with this support ticket. And that's been dealt with. That's already completed. Awesome. So let's say, for example, let's just do another test, right? We're going to submit a support ticket. Let's just say we're a new customer, right? And let's say actually we'll do this within our product. So I'm going to give you another demonstration where we're using a chatbot and we are logged in to our product. Let's say you have a course, for example, that's hosted somewhere. You could embed this chatbot, and then users can go in directly and they can ask a question. For example, we're just going to do this, and we're going to put in another email address. But this time I want to do something like, so again, if you look at my phone, we're going to do this other support ticket. And actually for this one, we'll upload a file. Okay, so we're going to put in a new ticket. I don't know if I pressed play, so I don't know if I've already recorded this. So you can see here I've said, I just signed up to ChatIQ, but I do not know how to delete data from my data feed. Again, I want you to look here at my phone, and you can see here there's currently 2 unread support tickets. If I, actually we're going to upload an image file as well, just to sort of make this look a little bit more interesting. If we submit the support ticket here, you'll see it's going to come through here. We've got another support ticket actually come through, and obviously this is just showing off the app within the account, and you can see we've received another email notification of a medium priority support ticket. And the reason it's signed it as medium priority is obviously if a customer is unable to use my product, then they're going to probably cancel, or they could churn and I could lose revenue as a business. So what happens now if I try and reply to this customer? Well, first of all, we can actually see here the support ticket. They've uploaded an image. So if they wanted to upload an image of a bug they've got within your product, you can actually go ahead and you can see that. So let's have a look at that support ticket. I just refreshed the page to show. So we're going to go over to it. We're going to reply to that support ticket. And what we're going to do is we're going to tell the AI to use the knowledge provided and tell the customer how to edit data in their data feed in ChatIQ. We're going to send that over, and it's going to go ahead and read all of the training data that it's got access to, and it's going to draft an email response, hopefully telling them how to do this for us. So it says log into your ChatIQ account, navigate to the data feed, so select the specific data that you would like to edit, make the necessary changes within the data feed, and save your changes. So let's just show you what that looks like in real time. If we go to the data feed within the app, we select the data, we can make the changes that we want to, and then obviously we can go ahead and continue with what we're doing. So that chatbot has actually used the data that the chatbot was trained on. So the AI has used the data in our business to be able to respond to support tickets. So it's using the internal training data on how to actually use our software, and it's drafted a response and it's sent that directly to the customer. Now we've got a happy customer. We can go ahead and where are we? We can now either send that email. We can either just go to Gmail, populate a Gmail response, and it's going to use our default Gmail. It's going to put everything in. or we can just copy and paste it directly. And once we're done, we can now close that support ticket. And like I say, again, you can see the average response time for that support ticket. So if you want to set all of this up for your business, the software is called chatiq.ai. The link is down below. You can get started for free. You can build a free trial. You've got 2 weeks to get started just to set this up for yourself, and your card won't be charged. And on the base plan, it's $30 a month. So if you've got any questions at all, don't forget to leave them down below in the comments.